What's up, foodie friends? Today we're going to do some meal prep and make some healthy chicken cutlets in only 10 minutes using a cast iron skillet. You're going to get 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, your favorite seasoning, some avocado oil, and you are going to cook them up in less than 10 minutes. You're going to do a little tenderizing to your chicken cutlets, to your chicken breasts, make them thin, about a ½ inch thick. Mix up your seasonings, give them a spritz of olive oil, take your avocado oil and pour it into your cast iron skillet, which you're going to have on the stove top. You're going to warm that up, coat your cutlets in your seasoning, place them in the pan for 5 minutes, and you're going to cook them on one side only on the stove top. When your 5 minutes is up, you're going to flip them, and you're going to take the entire pan and place it in your oven, and you're going to cook it for an additional 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Only 5 minutes. Take it out, let it rest for 5 minutes. You're going to chop it up, and it makes the most juiciest, flavorful chicken strips to put in your salads. I like to put avocado on it. I put it in tacos. There's just so many things you can put it with. It's perfect for meal prepping for the week. Delicious. You have to try it. And please subscribe before you go. Thanks.